Good morning. How do you do? I'm coming to you live from Pilot Point Care Center. It is now 6 minutes till 4 o'clock in the morning. My roommate came in to tell me to have a good morning, and then he rolled out. He's in a wheelchair. And so I'm here with you to say a few words. So, hello. What should I do about the metal detectors in the school? I don't have a school-aged child. I don't have any children at all. But I do have a mother that taught school for almost 40 years. So, I've got that going for me. What did he say? What should I do? Where should I go? Metal detectors in schools just seems like a no-brainer to me. And, you know, Army men that are self-shocked looking over these children as they come to school and go comings and goings. You know, we don't have to have too many of them. But heck, 1 or 2 or 3 per school wouldn't hurt anything. I know school budgets are tight, but school budgets go out the window if you have a shooting incident, let's say, because they're not done by accident. So, anyway, I've got to go one way or another. I can look up more numbers and call more people. Trains are out tonight. Yeah, there's this 4 o'clock train. Yep, moving freight. Well, I don't know. I don't know exactly what to do. Maybe you can write down in the comments what to do, and I can get some education. Well, let's see what Farmer John, the weather radio. Oh, I also know what NOAA stands for. National Oceanographic Atmospheric Association, Administration, National Oceanic Atmospheric Association. I think that's it. I think it is. But let's tie in and see if anything's changed weather-wise.
Lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Monday through Saturday. Periodic thunderstorm chances return late Monday and continue through the end of next week. Frequent lightning is the main concern at this time. The ultraviolet index forecast for May 21st is 6, or high. The current time is 4:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK 22, serving the Sherman-Denison listening area. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 3 a.m. Sherman-Denison, partly cloudy, 57, dew point 51, relative humidity 79%, wind calm, pressure 30.18 inches and steady. Gainesville, mostly cloudy, 54, calm. McKinney, mostly cloudy, 60, north at 6. Bonham, fair, 57, north at 5. Durant, clear, 59, west at 6. Ardmore, mostly cloudy, 55, calm. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, mostly cloudy, 64, north at 5. Paris, partly cloudy, 59, north at 6. Wichita Falls, mostly cloudy, 60, north at 3. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy, 57, calm. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 4 a.m. Sherman-Denison, partly cloudy, 57, dew point 51, relative humidity 81%, wind calm, pressure 30.16 inches and falling. McKinney, mostly cloudy, 57, north at 5. Bonham, fair, 55, north at 3. Durant, clear, 57, north at 5. Ardmore, mostly cloudy, 55, north at 3. Elsewhere around the region, DFW Airport, mostly cloudy, 63, north at 5. Paris, partly cloudy, 58, north at 8. Wichita Falls, mostly cloudy, 60, calm. Oklahoma City, partly cloudy, 56, calm. Now let's check on your local forecast for Sherman, Denison, and surrounding locations today, mostly cloudy. A chance of sprinkles this afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs around 80. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Monday night, partly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. And now the extended forecast. Tuesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Thursday, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Friday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s.
It looks like we're going to have pretty much clear weather, except for we're going to have cloud cover. But it doesn't look like we're going to get a whole lot of rain. So, that's good. That's a good thing. And I'm going to leave you with it. It's been good to see you tonight. And like I said, I'm gonna bow out now and catch back up with you this afternoon sometime, because I just wanted to make a little quick blog, and so I've done it. So there you go. Thank you. Love you. Bye.